Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, for the first you have to be logged into your Instagram account and you have to pick up the picture that you want to download, so I will go for this one. After that we have to go for the Play Store and we have to type in the search pool Repost for Instagram. You can also take it from this quick list, and we have to get this application from the KimC929. So let's get this application. After that, just open, close it, and open your Instagram. Click right here in these three dots in the right corner and click to share. Right now we have to find our Repost for Instagram application and enter this application here. Click on the picture. We can take off this signature, and to save, just tap on this middle button. Here we got the notification, so we'll probably can find it in the gallery. So as you can see, here it is. It's very simple, and I hope that I help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!